Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Data Exercises Part 1. This video presents a few exercises on the data strand just to help you with revision. This is the first slide, and you can look at the first slide for as long as you want. You can pause it whenever you want. So I'll leave it on for about 10 seconds, and I think the best thing to do is one of the things you can do is just to write your answers on a sheet of paper, and all the answers are given at the end of this video. So if you want to record your answers, you'll be able to check them at the end of the video. This is the next slide, and I'll leave it on for 10 or 15 seconds, and you can pause it at any time, write the answers if you like. The answers are at the end. And this is the last slide of the exercises, and the answers begin on the next slide. Here are the beginning of the answers. I'll leave this on for 10 or 15 seconds. You can pause it, of course, as long as you like. That's the second slide. And that's the last slide with the answers on it.